hearing that 3 a.m. beep again. Your smoke detector only screams when you need sleep most. This isn't random. Count the beeps always in threes. Your early meetings, important interviews, big presentations. It knows your schedule. You're being orchestrated. The midnight beeping orchestrator, a maintenance spirit who died fixing alarms. Now it ensures you're marked. Your rest is its revenge. Break the orchestration. Touch your detector gently. Acknowledge its warning. Wave your phone light counterclockwise 3 times. Water offering seals your peaceful sleep. The orchestrator respects those who acknowledge its purpose. Share this before your next 3 a.m. wake up. Some curses just want recognition.